Finish all over. A designation that a forging must have sufficient size over the dimensions given on the drawing so that all the surfaces may be machined in order to obtain the dimension shown on the drawing. The amount of additional stock necessary for machining allowances depends on the size and shape of the part and is agreed on by the vendor and the user. Finish allowance: the amount of stock left on the surface of the forging to be removed by subsequent machining, also called machining allowance or forging envelopes.